You angry with me? I can see it in your eyes. A storm of emotions beneath calm skies. The silence between us heavy like a stone. Words unspoken. The fault is my own. Your glances are daggers piercing through the air, each one a reminder of the hurt we share. I search for the reasons, trace back every step in the labyrinth of our love. Where did I misstep? You angry with me and it tears me apart. The distance between us, a chasm in my heart. I recall the laughter, the times we were close, now faded memories like a withered rose. Every word I utter seems to fan the flame in this dance of blame. Who holds the claim? Misunderstandings pile up like unyielding bricks, building walls around us with no easy fix. You angry with me? It's a shadow we cannot flee, casting gloom over what we used to be. We used to be one. Now we are drifting away, navigating through the night, searching for the day. I long to mend the rift, to heal the unseen scares, to bring back the light that once was ours. But apologies feel hollow and efforts seem in vain in the sea of sorrow. We are drowning in pain. You angry with me? A tempest in your soul, wreaking havoc, talking its toll. Yet beneath the fury, I sense a lingering hope, a fragile thread, a chance to cope. Can we bridge gap, find common ground? In the silence, can a new love be found? I reach out my hand in the dimming light, hoping you will take it and end this night. You angry with me, but still I believe in the power of love and the will to forgive. For every storm passes, giving away to the sun, and in the end, maybe we will find we are one. And I suppose you are going to sit beside me every single class. I don't know. You seem like an angry student. I am not sure I want the proof associating me with you. I had chained her up because I was angry. Everyone got angry at their partner at same point. The man is angry. The man is destructive. The man wants more. The woman is more. The woman is all. I had be the first to admit that I have no shortage of faults, but if I had to pick one, the one that's gotten me into the most trouble over the years, it would be that I sometimes get angry. Never go to bed angry. Terrified is okay.